Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to block adult websites on your Android phone. This is a very good idea of protecting young people who use the phone and for your own safety as well, as the internet can contain harmful contents. So let's get started. First, you need to try from the Google Chrome application itself. Open the Chrome web browser, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and find the option of Privacy and Security and select it. Now scroll down and tap on Use Secure DNS and select this option. Now select Choose Another Provider, and here select Clean Browsing. Tap on Customized and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Clean Browsing Family Filter and you'll be done. This should protect Chrome from adult websites. Another thing you can do is you can block the entire device if you do not use the Chrome. Swipe up on your home screen to access your apps and open your settings. Then go to Connections. Here scroll down and tap on More Connection Settings. Then select Private DNS and then select Private DNS Provider Host Name. And here enter family-filter-dns.cleanbrowsing.org. Then tap on Save. And this will block adult websites across your entire device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.